We're gonna go somewhere else and we're here. So as you enter, you can see this beautiful picture. And the living room, it's beautiful. There's even color, the yellow and the gray. Cookies, and yeah, it's just a snack area right here. And here we got some cornflakes and yeah, and then you can see the outside view from here too. Okay, so I told you we're gonna go somewhere else and we're here. So this is a beautiful cottage, and yeah, we're gonna stay here for the day, and it's very beautiful. The inside and the interior is amazing. Can't wait to show you guys. Okay, so let's go in. And as soon as you enter, you can see this beautiful picture and this bottle of water and glasses, and then this beautiful decoration. I told you the interior is amazing here, and this the bird. It's the hornbill bird. So they call it the hornbill because like I just saw a hornbill bird like a few minutes ago, and this house's name itself is called a hornbill, the hornbill house. So yeah, and that's why you saw the hornbill and stuff. This is the living room. It's beautiful. There's even color, the yellow and the gray is very amazing contrast. And there's a TV here. There's a nice table here with nice cushions. It's pretty cozy, even though like the carpet is very furry, and then this beautiful light. It's like one of a kind. And then there's a TV. My sister was watching TV. And then if you check this side, you see the fireplace. So we don't have to use it now, it's summer. In winter you can use it. You can take this thing off, and then, ooh, pretty heavy. And then you have to put the coal and yeah, do the setup. And then you close it. The view from the living room. Ta-da! This is a small briar place. It's the backyard. I'll show you guys in detail when we go outside. And then there is a small place here just to relax. And this is also the door to the backyard. And there's a small place to relax here. Another amazing painting with plants or decoration. And this is, so I think the theme of the living room is gray and yellow. And then there's this nice table right here.
This is the table for you.
Okay, so this is, I think it's like, you know, in your evening times, you just sit here and drink tea and, you know, cookies, and yeah, it's just a snack area right here. And then moving on, it's an attached dining room here. So there's this wooden table and 6 chairs, very comfortable chairs. And here's a giant plant, very eye-opening. And then here's a big plant here. And then there's this nice lamp. I like it. It looks vintage. Yeah, it looks nice. And then there's this cute photo frame. Oh, there's even a cookbook. You know, to cook recipes. There's even a cookbook and stuff. There's a specialty about this carpet. It's made of actual cow skin. It's the actual skin of a cow. It feels like it. Very soft. Now we're gonna move on to the kitchen. I love the lights. They're really nice. And here we got some cornflakes and dried fruits and different types of tea, coffee, sugar. Oh, there's even things like pepper and stuff to like for seasoning and things when you're grilling chicken. And then there's beautiful pots, an oven, and a fridge. And this is another stove with baking oven, and you can even close it.
So now we have a toaster here to make bread and stuff.
Okay, so now let's move into my favorite rooms, which are the bedrooms. I can't wait for it to show it to you guys because like they're very cozy. Okay, let's go. Okay, so first we have our first bedroom. If you walk in, so this is our first bedroom, and there's a cute light, bed light, and this is the way the bed has been arranged here. There's even, you can even open this, just pull it like this. If you want to put it down, just there. And there's another piece. So now let's move on to the next room. Oh, there's even a table, forgot to mention. There's even a table for stuff. Now let's move on to the next room. As you move, you can see beautiful paintings of birds. They're not printed, they're painted. Okay, and here we have another decoration, and there's even a book that talks about Botswana, and this cute little plant. And here's our next room. This is mine and my sister's room. So here we have the same setup, and the color, I just love this white pillow, it's so nice. And these beautiful lamps, they look so good. There's another painting, yeah, it's a painting. Yeah, it's also a painting. And the same thing with the windows. Here's the mirror, and yeah, the wash basin. And here's the shower. Like, close it. So that's the bathroom this side. And then next is the third bedroom. It's the main one. It's the biggest in the house. Here we are. This room also has a carpet of another cow. Another cow skin. This is another bedroom. The big one. The big bedroom, and with the lights, and yeah. Makes these pillows make it feel very cozy. And there's another painting. Of different birds. And then there's a mirror here. There's a mirror. Okay, yes, a mirror. And yeah, and then you can see the outside view from here too. This room also has an attached bathroom. So this side. Here, before we move on to the bathroom, there's a small dressing room here where you can put your clothes. Here's a closet and a small dressing table.
We can light up.
It switches on and up, and it also shows the time and the temperature. And then there's this so this is how it looks like when the lights are switched off, and yeah. Okay, so now let's go to move on to the bathroom. There's even a cute, I forgot to show you the chair. It looks so soft, and the carpet, it looks nice. And then next is the bathroom. This bathroom is attached to the bedroom I showed you. Same settings. Oh, that one is circle, this one is square. I get it. Okay, and then there's a plant here. Oh, this is real. It's a real plant. And then there's the wash basin and the mirror. Yeah, and you can even see the view from here. And it's also a sliding door. It's a sliding door. But don't worry, you can't see anything through it. Okay, and now let's go outside and see the outside view. Okay, so here we can grill chicken and we can also sit just a small dining space outside within nature. And there are also birds there. Let me try not to make noise. Yellow bird. Oh, it flew away. This is outside. It's pretty much bigger than you think. There's a lot of space. You can keep bird food there, and here, yeah, more grass, more green. So there's another space for, I think it's for campfire, just here. Here's the place for a campfire right here. You can put tree barks here and here and make a fire. Okay, now the most exciting part, my favorite, the pool. Like pretty cool out here because there are a lot of trees. There are also a lot of butterflies. Do you see butterflies? They look so pretty. So we're gonna show you the pool. Clean blue water. You can even sit and rest here. It's pretty blue, clean water. You can sit. There's even a table, pretty comfortable, but it's very hot during the time right now. It's very hot now. To come in the evening time, it's a perfect place to chill here. Even stairs to go, and yeah, the pool is in a separate place, and there's a fence over to protect it. It's the best place to be in summer. This whole place is like you rent it, so this is your private pool and your private house. No one else, just you. So you can go whenever you want. Yeah, so that's all I can show you. So that's the whole house view. And if you check this side again, you can see the bride stand and stuff. So if we go through here, we can go back to the entrance. And then after swimming, you can even use the towels there. For towels there to dry ourselves. Okay, so this is the food for the hornbills and the other birds. That's all. It's a very nice place to be in